All right, we're recording the sewer line here at 7015 20th Avenue Northwest. The date is March 2nd, 2021. What you're looking at there is the Seattle City sewer main flowing by. That's running up and down 20th out there. We're going to pull back from this point and get a look at all the work Bob Oates has done here. So coming back from the main, you're immediately going into a 6-inch diameter new flow cure-in-place pipe liner. So we have jumped from that main immediately into the liner. And we're going to come back through that 6-inch diameter liner. And get a look at this line. So we dug a small excavation as part of this project and then installed liner throughout the remaining of the line, to cover all of the original piping that was left in the line. So all that's left of this pipe now is liner and PVC plastic. So we're coming there. That's the point where it's going from 4-inch diameter to 6-inch. You see the diameter shift change there. We're now in a smaller diameter pipe. So we're coming back through this 4-inch diameter. Here we're coming back into our PVC repair. So we did, like I said, we did a small excavation, small section of new PVC. There's that new section of PVC where we did our dig, and now back into liner again. So back into 4-inch diameter liner. Four-inch diameter, then lips directly into this black ABS existing plastic, exactly how we proposed it to do. So you'll see the seam here, or lack thereof. There's the seam where it's going from that ABS black plastic into our liner, and coming up out through that plastic into existing PVC. So all this was existing. None of this was part of the Bob Oates project. As soon as that liner ended, that was the end of the Bob Oates project. Coming back through this existing PVC, and then we're going to come out of the clean out that this was making this recording from here in the back side of the yard. And there is the clean out. Downspout next to it. Ending the video there.